everyone, welcome to Maths IAC. Here's the 12th question type that we're going to discuss. This question is about simple interest. I've seen many questions on this topic in GCSE and IGCSE exam questions. So let's have a look. Aisha wants to invest 800 euros for 4 years. So we know the amount of money and we know the time. Savers Bank offers simple interest at a rate of 1.8% per year per annum. Whereas the Future Bank gives simple interest at a rate of 3% for the first year and then 1% for each of the next 3 years. So they have a different deal. Which bank should Aisha choose? Show your working clearly. Now, in a question like this, what we need to do is we need to see which bank would give her the most interest. So to find how much interest that she can get from the Savers Bank, what we are going to do, she's going to get 1.8% per annum. So it's 800 euros multiplied by 1.8%. That's what she gets for a year, but she's going to get it for 4 years, so I'm going to just multiply it by 4. So you can put this in the calculator. That is the amount of interest she gets. I just entered it in the calculator. She gets 57 euros and 60 cents in interest. Okay. Now let's see what the Future Bank is going to give her. 3% for the first year. So all you need to do is 800 euros multiplied by 3%. So that's what she's going to get for the first year, which is 24 euros. Now, so times by 1 over 100, but that's only for a year, but this is going to happen for 3 more years. So that's again 24 euros in total. So the total amount that she gets is the sum. That would be 48 euros. Now you can clearly see Savers Bank is the better option. So we need to write this as a sentence. So this is how you can write the final answer. 57 euros and 60 cents is more than 48 euros. So she should choose Savers Bank. So you are giving a very clear outcome. Here's the amount of interest she gets. She gets more on this one, and use the inequality sign to show which one is the better option. Now, here's a question for you to try. Please pause the video and give it a try. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here you can see the correct answer. So it's £1,000 for 5 years this time. Secure Safe Bank gives 2.2%. So per year, it's 1,000 multiplied by 2.2%, which is £22 for 5 years. Multiply that one by 5, it's £110. Invest for You gives 4% in the first year, which is £40. For the next 4 years, you get 1.5%. So multiplied by 4, that's £60. Overall, that gives £100. The Secure Safe Bank then gives £10 more. So how do you write the conclusion? £110 is more than £100. So Ben should choose Secure Safe Bank. Here's another question which is quite similar to the previous 2 questions. Please pause the video and give it a try. So in this one, Bright Bank, simple interest at a rate of 2.4% per annum for the first 3 years, then 1.8 for the next 3 years. This is 6 years now. She is investing £900 for a period of 6 years. So Bright Bank, first 3 years, 900 multiplied by 2.4 over 100 times by 3 gives £64.80. Next 3 years, same thing, but you replace 2.4 by 1.8, and you get £48.60. If you add them up, you get £113.40. MoneyGrow gives a fixed rate 2.1% per annum per year for all years. So 900 times 2.1 over 100 multiplied by 6, it's £113.40. Now this one is a slightly peculiar question because you can see both banks give the same amount of interest, so she can choose either bank.